Hello guys. So if you've seen my last video, you know that I did an open cup pour, and I am going to do the same today for Earth Day. Anywho, I coated my edges to get the paint to stick better on the sides. The dried results of the last piece, let me pull them out for you because it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So this is the dried results of my last video. The colors and the shine and the metallics, they are just amazing. In the next video, I'll show you this piece outside in the sun so that you can get the full picture. Natural light usually is better. I'm inside. It is freezing outside. We've gotten this really cold weather coming through. Anywho, so somebody mentioned or had asked how I stop or make my edges nice and neat and make it make sure that the paint flows beautifully onto the sides. And I typically coat it with a coat of paint. So today I used some of this Payne's Gray by Goldens. Not that it has to be Goldens or anything. That's just what I had on hand. So this way you don't have to really clean up your edges as much because the paint will stick to it. All right. My colors are the same as the last. I have mixed everything with the Goldens Fluid Pouring Medium. And if you haven't seen that before, I'm using the Gloss Medium. And now I'm on empty. So I'm gonna have to get some more because I really love working with it. I have satin enamel mixed with it and some Artist Loft Flow White. This is Treasure Gold Aqua, I think it's a Blue Topaz or Blue Quartz. So I have that in here. It's the Golden Pouring Fluid, Golden Pouring Fluid Medium is very fluid-like. So there's no thinning needed, typically, unless you're using a heavy-bodied paint. You can add like a little bit of water. You don't have to add much. This is, let me see, Green Flash by Floetrol. And then this other container of like a aquamarine color is a mixture of a few colors. I have in there Mysterious. I have Metallic Turquoise and Folk Arts Aquamarine. So those are my colors in this one. I made my own little color batch. I was worried that my paint was going to be a little too thin, and that's what I did there. I have Payne's Gray by Goldens and Pibio's Blue Black Iridescent as well. Gives a really cool look inside of there. Goldens Fluid Iridescent Gold Fine. And then I have a Prussian Blue by Goldens as well. And that's, I think, what I coated the canvas with. So it's a little thick, so I do have to add a little bit of water. And we are going to do another open cup pour. And it's Earth Day, so I figured why not try and go for a interstellar, or actually just a view from Earth, a view of Earth. I can't even talk this morning. I haven't had enough coffee. Well, that's not what I wanted to do. Hold on. I'm just gonna push that off the canvas because that is not the color I wanted to use there. I actually want to use Payne's Gray because it dries almost like a black. But, all right. Hey, we all have mistakes and accidents, so. I have to go to work after this, and I don't want to. I just want to paint all day. But that's not an option. So we'll see how this works. I'm not sure if necessarily it will, because I'm actually trying to create a visual piece. But we'll see. Either way, the open cup pour is always beautiful. I was worried in the last piece because it had, it looked so muddy in a sense. I hadn't stretched it out, and I didn't realize that it would actually look much better once I stretched it out. So I'm happy that that was the outcome on that piece. So if you haven't seen it, I've linked the video below. Put some white down, and then my cup, and I'm gonna put a little white around the cup to seal the vacuum and the paint. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is I wanna start right here with the Pibio's Iridescent Blue Black, come in with some goldens. I'll just do a tad of white because I have a lot on the canvas. We're just going to keep alternating colors in here. And moving my cup around. And I do want a little more paint on here than I need, and that's what I'm going for because I want to be able to push it off the canvas because I want to try and preserve this negative space up in here. think we'll do one more with some green. I'm going to leave it right there for now. We'll see. And more air bubbles. We're just going to rock it back and forth. That came out so awesome. I'm so happy. I'll have to fix that area. Sort of bumped out a little bit. But I'm really happy. So I've put another glove on. Okay, so let's bring you guys in. and get the paint out of my hair. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys in. I really love this and I'm really excited about it. Let me just give it a quick torch to get rid of the air bubbles, and let's celebrate Earth Day. Yay! All right, guys, excited? Okay. Here is, let's turn those lights off. Here is my Earth Day pour. I don't know. I think it looks like the Earth. An aerial view. But I hope you guys had a wonderful day. I have a couple more 12 by 36s that I'm going to be doing the same style pour on in the same style color sequence to create a triptych of them to match the first. But yeah, I don't know. Tell me what you think. I think this is going to dry beautifully, and hopefully we'll see it in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for all your support and watching me. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram. I also have a TikTok, so you can see me there. If you have any purchasing inquiries, please email me directly. I took down my Etsy page due to fees being ridiculous, and some other stuff. But you guys have a wonderful day. Happy Earth Day. Peace.